Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm gonna tell you how to insert a SIM and SD card in Galaxy A14 device. So firstly, just take the SIM ejector, and here we have the SIM slot. Just insert the SIM ejector so that the SIM tray will be take out. Now here we have the two slots, by the way, SIM 1, SIM 2 and SD card. So just set the SIM here, SIM 1, and unfortunately I don't have any SD card right now, but if you want to insert the SD card you can place your SD card here. After that just just insert the SIM like this, and that is it. So as you guys see, the SIM is now insert successfully, and just wait for the signals. Okay, so as you guys see, the name of the SIM is now come, and this is how we can set up the SIM and insert the SIM or SD card in Galaxy A14. So that is it guys about the video. If this video helps you, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in the next video. Take care.